Balavinaka. Due to the global COVID-19 pandemic, normal has a new definition. To help Fiji adapt, the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport has created COVID Pass, a digital portal where businesses with COVID-safe plans can apply for passes to operate. COVID Pass is a convenient one-stop shop for all necessary approvals required for businesses which can operate in a well-managed, COVID-safe way. This includes the movement of goods and personnel during curfew hours. And through this COVID Pass, the ministry is taking a health-first approach. We hope to see this adopted widely by the business community. The portal will not only allow us to make better decisions and make them more quickly, it is safer. The approval process is all online. This means no queues, no crowded spaces, no need for users to leave the safety of their homes. That's the sort of operational thinking we hope to see in business applications where possible. The ministry has consulted the Ministry of Economy, Ministry of Health and Medical Services, and the Fiji Police Force in the development of the COVID Pass portal. As we go, we will fine-tune the system based on your feedback. From Monday, 31st May 2021, the Ministry for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport will only be issuing digital passes to businesses. No other passes for businesses will be valid, and the Fiji Police Force will not accept any other passes. Businesses can log on to www.covidpass.mcttt.gov.fj to apply for their passes. After lodging the application, the applicant will be provided with login credentials which he or she can use to track or amend their application. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us on number 163. Thank you, and let's keep Fiji safe together.
The Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport advises that essential businesses in containment areas can operate, provided their employees are engaged from within the respective containment areas. The Ministry will issue the following in accordance with current COVID-safe protocols. 1. A curfew pass. This allows businesses to operate during curfew hours. 2. A movement of essential goods to and from containment areas. 3. A permit to operate on a case-by-case basis for businesses that are not identified as essential businesses or supporting businesses and are not classified as high-risk businesses. To apply, please log on to www.covidpass.mcttt.gov.fj. Click Apply for a Pass to complete the application process. Fill in the application form, upload the required documents and click Submit. After successfully submitting your documents, you will receive a code via email. Using the code you have received, you can edit, resubmit or check the status of your application. You can now download your pass to your device or create a printout. To apply for an essential business pass, please visit www.covidpass.mcttt.gov.fj.